Imagine if the world's most advanced military lost the ability to launch precision missiles or maintain secure communications. This isn't science fiction. It's a real vulnerability rooted in our reliance on obscure yet essential metals. These elements form the backbone of critical military systems, such as guidance technology and night vision. They are also used in everyday innovations like smartphones and electric vehicles. Welcome to this JSOU Snapshot on rare earth elements, or REEs, a set of 17 metals that silently power our military advantage and modern way of life. Rare earth elements are a group of 17 elements on the periodic table with special properties. Despite their name, they can be found scattered across the Earth's surface. The thing is, you can't just pick up an REE like a lump of coal. They are locked within mineral deposits. Extracting them from their deposits, where they may be mixed together, mixed with other elements, or not concentrated enough to even bother, is what makes them difficult to acquire. These metals became strategically important during the Cold War, but large-scale production only began in recent decades as technology advanced. In defense applications, several REEs are crucial. Neodymium creates powerful magnets used in missile guidance systems. Dysprosium and terbium enable heat-resistant electronics for military equipment. Samarium helps power missile defense systems. And lanthanum is essential for night vision technology. In commercial sectors, these same elements drive modern technology. They're found in electric vehicle batteries and motors. They make renewable energy systems like wind turbines possible. They're essential components in smartphones and computers. And they enable advanced medical imaging equipment. The most valuable REEs like dysprosium, europium, and lutetium require complex extraction processes. Their critical role in defense and high-tech industries drives high demand. With China controlling production and processing of global REE supply chain security has become a major national security concern. Understanding these elements helps us understand why certain regions and resources have become strategically vital to American interests. The United States, like many other countries around the world, has its own rare earth deposits. However, China controls 60% of production and 80% of processing capacity. The U.S. cannot match China in its ability to harvest REEs. Firstly, we do not have as many deposits. Also, China was ahead of the pack in investing in the expensive industrial processes needed to achieve REE extraction. This process also results in negative environmental effects like heavy pollution, a cost more readily accepted by the Chinese government than the US. This has created strategic choke points that China has leveraged for political advantage. Competition for these resources has intensified across multiple regions. The South China Sea, Arctic territories, and African nations have all become flashpoints. BRICS nations, led by China, are working to consolidate control over these strategic minerals. This competition directly impacts U.S. national security, as whoever controls these resources gains significant technological and military advantage. What does this mean for Special Operations Forces? In today's competitive environment, SOF operates at the leading edge of resource competition. Understanding rare earth elements provides critical context for missions in denied areas, resource protection operations, and partner force training. Knowledge of these strategic elements helps operators better understand mission objectives and their connection to broader national security goals. In conclusion, rare earth elements have outsized strategic importance despite their microscopic size. They enable everything from precision munitions to advanced communication systems that give our forces decisive advantages. As competition intensifies, these resources will increasingly shape global power dynamics and operational priorities. Securing access to these materials remains essential, not just for economic prosperity, but for maintaining U.S. military superiority and operational readiness in an increasingly contested world. We would like to thank these people for their work on this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel to see more JSOU Snapshots in the future.